My shit's hot as fuck.
Mama, she thug, you know I really need you.
Yo, it is a lovely day out here in Wisconsin. The Midwest is looking beautiful today. It is 69 degrees. 69 degrees outside. Let me take a picture of that. It's Sunday. I just got off. It's 5 o'clock. I got off of work at 4. If you haven't noticed all the laundry in the back, I'm going to do laundry because I've had enough. Y'all seen it in like a couple videos back. It's the same laundry from back then. Like, I can't catch up on laundry. So today I'm dedicating my time to do laundry. But how rude of me. I didn't say hi yet. What's up, gang? What up, gang? How have y'all been? How was your morning, afternoon? How was your evening, night, whenever time you're watching this? How was it? Comment it down below because I do want to know. The sun is shining in my face. It's golden hour. Speaking of golden hour, I was waiting in line. I'm all over the place. I got Culver's. I got a chicken sandwich with no tomato and they still put a tomato on. Make it make sense. Come on now. I'd expect this type of behavior from McDonald's, but not from Culver's. Like, I go to Culver's if I want good food, you know, all that type of stuff. Step up your game, Culver's. I was waiting for my food. And I was taking pictures, you know. I was like mid-selfie and somebody knocks on my door, my window. And it's I don't know if she saw me taking pictures, but she had to knock on the door because I was taking pictures. Low-key embarrassing, but period. The sun is shining. I need to take my good golden hour pictures. Speaking of. I'm at the car wash. Since I'm driving whiles away. I'm gonna get a car wash because Virgil's looking a little dusty. It's embarrassing driving him around. Sorry, Virgil. I said it. I said I'm embarrassed driving you around right now. But that's on my part. You know, you can't wash yourself. That's why I'm here to clean you. And we're gonna look just as new. I knew it. I knew it. As soon as I knew it. What the fuck? For today at work, I was drinking water and spilled all over me. Now this soda fell all over me. Like, come on now. Get your shit together, Daisy. Dry sandwich gang all the way. I don't put no type of sauce on my chicken sandwiches. Fuck mayo. So I got a crispy chicken sandwich with just pickles and lettuce. That's the way to go. I stay eating dry food, but I ain't dry. I promise you that.
So our room is getting started. Somebody in the hotel cleaning up is gonna see this like, oh, he's using that illuminating body wash, huh? That boy needs the illuminating body wash. Interesting fact to know about Drake.
Drake, what the hell? I put it there. Oh. Elite employees. Should I do the standard, ultimate, or elite? Elite. I think I'm gonna do elite. I'll be back. I parked too far. Elite employees. employees. Fuck tomatoes. No mames. Look what dude came to Quick Trip in. If only, bro. If I had that shit, I'd go everywhere in that shit, to be honest. What's up, y'all? It's 6:04. I got to the laundromat here. Hella people. All the washers were full except for this one row, and I was able to get 4 of them, and some other dude came and got 2 of them. But there was hella people in there, so I wasn't able to record like I wanted to, cause fuck that. And I knew some of these people, so fuck that. But I ran out of detergent, so I'm going to Walmart. It's like right here, to get some of that. They were gonna be in 27 minutes, so I'm gonna come back at 6:30 and spend more money. Oh my god, I didn't realize how expensive this shit. $3 for a wash. And then the dryers, how much are they? You guys, I'm bored. I just got out of Walmart. I bought that laundry basket, another one, and some detergent. Oh, it's 6:30. I should probably go check on my clothes, to be honest. I didn't think it was gonna take, I don't know what I was thinking. I did not think that laundry was gonna take this long. There's hella people everywhere. Here in Walmart, there was hella people. You're not even gonna use a blinker, bro? Come on now. What's your name, girlfriend? What's your name? What's your name, girlfriend? What's your name? Should I do that type of video, that one TikToker that everybody makes fun of? Fuck it. Okay, y'all, I did like 4 loads of laundry in there. I put both into the dryer. I don't know how much money I have left, to be honest. Shit. I might have to take more money out. But I have 2 more baskets in my fucking car to do yet. Let's see what the fuck we got going on. God, I think it was this much. I forgot a white shirt. I'm not gonna wash this with the black stuff. My boss was telling me that she throws white people. She throws white clothes into like colored clothes. I'm gonna have to wait on this one. Feel bad, girl. Sorry. No, you're good. if y'all can hear me, if y'all can see me. But I have like an hour to kill and there's literally nothing to do. And I'm here by myself. I just went to Dollar Tree and I took a shit. And yeah, Y'all, it's like that weird type of weather outside. It's like nice, but like hot. But like if you put a hoodie on, you're hot. If you don't have it on, you're cold type thing. I haven't done shit but shit. So I was craving a little smoothie, so I came to Quick Trip. Ooh, we're gonna come here. And I haven't tried this mango one yet, but we're gonna try it. Mango plant-based smoothie. Only 190 calories, so we're trying this shit. What y'all know about this Frill machine? Like, you put the cup in here. How thick do we want her? We're gonna put her, let's do regular. And up she goes. Ain't that crazy? No. Have y'all tried? There was a limited edition brownie one. So good. Y'all have to. I want to try this peanut butter cup one. But that brownie one was too good. Oh, she's done. Now for the grand reveal. Let's see how this goes. It's a mango smoothie. I should have put less thick to the age. But I gotta go pay for this shit now.
Twins 808 pushing up.
The fucking tripod broke. God damn it. You guys are okay? It's the fucking tripod that broke. I'm trying to fix this cheap ass shit. Oh my fucking god, y'all. I wasn't recording. Oh. Anyways, ciao. You guys, I just got done doing laundry! Look, it's back there. Can you see it? There's one basket and there's two baskets in the back. All folded. And I have an extra one here. I don't know. Oh, because I got that new one. That's why. But I just got done doing laundry. My sister got here too, like at 8 o'clock. So I was chilling with her for a bit. And I almost hit a lady in the face. An old lady in the face with the door. So I kind of feel bad. I said sorry. She's like, it's okay, whatever. So yeah. But I'm finna head home now. I'm tired as fuck. It's 8:51, almost 9. And then I have to still edit this video and put my clothes away. To be honest, I'm putting my clothes away tomorrow. Like, I am not doing that shit right now. But yeah, I'm finna head home. I feel like my smoothie's all melted. perfect consistency, and it's still cold. But yeah, I'm finna end the vlog off here. Thank y'all for watching. This was like a really weird video. I know it was weird. And I got out of my comfort zone by recording. There was a mom waiting there for me to like move the camera when I was recording myself like doing the laundry. That was so embarrassing. Looking back at it though, it's like not that big of a deal, you know? It's just weird like setting up the camera and like people seeing the camera on the tripod just looking at me. I think that's the weird thing about it. I feel like, and if I had a smaller tripod, I feel like I would record in public, but I have this big ass one which ain't doing me justice. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn those post notifications on. New videos every Monday and Friday. Trust, Mondays and Friday. Y'all gonna start the week off good by watching a video, and y'all gonna end the week off good watching one of Daisy's videos. Comment down this emoji, spam this emoji, and comment down below if y'all like me to do anything else, anything you'd like me to do. Comment down video ideas for Houston. I have some planned, but more is welcome. It is suggested. More is needed. It's helpful. All the above shit. But thank y'all for watching. Peace out.
Ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now. Oh, you thought you had.
And you should subscribe right here.